Hello friends, and in this video, let us learn how to write an algorithm. In the previous video, we have discussed about algorithms. We learned that an algorithm is a finite set of steps that must be followed to solve any problem. And in this video, let us learn how to write an algorithm. So the algorithm is generally developed before the actual coding is done. We can write the algorithm step by step using simple English. For example, if we want to swap two numbers, we can write it in simple English like this. First start, read the first number as A and read the second number as B. Then assign temp equal to A and A equal to B and finally B equal to temp. And that is the end of the algorithm. By following these steps, we can swap two numbers. So this is in simple English. Now there is one more method in which we can write an algorithm, that is using pseudocode. The pseudocode is an informal program description that does not contain code syntax. Pseudocode need not contain the data type or return type information, and it is purely intended for human reading rather than machine reading. And because of that, we can also write it using any understandable symbols other than the equal to symbol. So saying this pseudocode, we can understand that first we have to assign A to temp, then B to A, and finally temp to B. So by this method also, we can understand what we have to do to achieve our goal, which is to swap two numbers. And that is what an algorithm is. So there are no strict rules about writing an algorithm. The main purpose of writing an algorithm is to write a human understandable version of code which can be used as a reference for two members or a group of team members to analyze and debug the program. So that's all about writing an algorithm, and in the coming videos we will discuss more on algorithms.